Here's a quick leg workout that will get your energy up, your blood pumping. It's going to target almost every muscle in your legs in one go, and you don't need any equipment or even a clean floor. Let's go. Start with a nice and gentle warm up with jumping jacks. We're doing 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Next up, we're going to do some knee raises, high knees. We're going to do 20 of these as well. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can pick up the intensity and jump if you'd like. I forgot how many we've done. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Now we're doing some butt kickers. All right, same thing. Let's do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Now, let's do some incline push-ups. Get some arms in, give those legs a break. You don't have to go so hard. Change the angle to make it a little bit easier. We're just doing 10 or so. Do incline because it makes them a little bit easier and keeps your arms and your chest working. 8, 9, and 10. Whew. With the incline push up done, we are doing some squats. Let's do 10. 1, you can do slightly wider stance if you'd like. 2, bring your legs in together if you want. 3, 4, 5, 6, remember to breathe. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Take a quick break if you need to. Pound out those hips for a second if you want. And we're going to move on out of the squats into some of the smaller muscles below the knee. We're going to go and do some calf raises. Go ahead and grab something for balance and try and get to as high as you can in that calf raise. Let's go. We're going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Turn that around. Now we're going to work on the front of the leg. And these are called Tibialis Raises. So you lean back a little bit like this, and you pull your toes up towards your knees. That is a Tibialis raise. We're going to do 10 of these as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first couple might feel pretty easy, but I promise as you do more of them, they'll start getting harder and harder. I think that's 10. Let's give our legs a little bit of a break and move on to a plank, everyone's favorite. When we get into this plank, you can decide which one you'd like. Elbows down, arms straight. But I want you to focus on contracting the core, keep that nice and tight, like somebody's about to punch you, and clenching your butt like you're about to get spanked. All right, let's go. 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, quick plank. come on out of it. I hope you enjoyed the rest for your legs, because we're gonna go back right back into some squats. Come on down. Oh, we did some squats before. We're only doing 10 more. Take your time with these. Really feel yourself getting deeper and deeper into that squat. Do a little bit of a wiggle if you want at the bottom. And let's power through the last 8 reps. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully extend those legs on that last rep. Oh, 0. That is our last squat with both legs. Now we're gonna start doing some one leg at a time squats. What does that mean? We're gonna do some Cossack squats. What that's gonna look like is we're gonna open up our legs nice and wide. This can adjust so you don't have to get into the perfect position immediately. We're gonna drop down to one side and try our best to point our toes up on the other side. All right? If you need help with balance, go ahead and put your hands down. But, Cossack squats look like this. We're gonna do 10 reps. So that's 1 on the left and 1 on the right. You can take these nice and slow. Make sure to breathe. Give yourself time. Adjust your leg position. Adjust the angle of your knees. And enjoy. I think this is 3 on each side. Let's keep going. We're almost 40% of the way there. 50%. 60%. 70%. 80%. 90%. And last rep. Oh, give your hips a quick pound. I'm sure that was not easy. We're gonna finish off with a little bit more squatting, but now we're doing the ATG Split Squat. These are really good for your knees, and you can take them nice and slow. We're gonna set them up by keeping our legs about hips width apart, but separating them front and back. And the goal is to push that knee in front of the toes and extend this leg back as much as you can while keeping your upper body straight. If you have something to hold on to give yourself a little bit of support, go ahead and use that. Whew. We're gonna do 10 of these on each side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might feel a bit of a stretch in this back hip. That is normal. Again, try to keep these knees going past the toes. Get into that deep position. If your regular lunges sort of end with your knees square up, try to push your knees forward. Whew. Oh, almost lost balance. 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10. Switch over to the other side. Shake out that leg if you need to for a little tiny bit of a break. We are almost done. This is the actual last thing. Let's go. Wind that stance. Make sure your knees can go over your toes. Have something safe to hold on to for balance. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One last one. Really get deep. 10. Whew. All right, now you're feeling it, huh? That's what 5 minutes of pretty intense but manageable leg workouts can look like. I hope you had fun. If you're interested in doing more of these, you can take a quick 2-minute break and come right back in, restart that video. Or you can hit subscribe, because we do lots of videos like this, doing quick little workouts that are super manageable so you can squeeze them into your day. Hit subscribe. I'll see you soon.